Hi guys, I'm going to be showing y'all tips and tricks. So first of all, you want to go into the content creator. Oh yeah, this is for free long arms without actually using mods. So you want to walk over here and you want to grab a microphone. And then you got a long arm. And then yeah, the rest I'm just going to be showing y'all me using these microphone long arms.
Schmackle! Guys, we're doing...
So bye.